Hello everyone.
Okay.
Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how you can change Lexus remote battery. So this is how you gonna open it, the remote. That's how you do it. You just press on it and then push, and then you can use the key to turn that up, and then it will be open. This is the battery. You see the white circle one, look like the metal, and this is the battery that I got it from Walmart. It's about $5, and I'm gonna change it now. And here you can see you just have to remove it like that, just like that. It's really small and thin. Yeah, it's Panasonic. Sorry, it's a little bit blurry, but it's okay. Now you can see it. It's CR16323V. You can find it. You can order it online, or you can go to the shop. It's also available in Walmart or Best Buy or Dollarama. And now I'm gonna open it. Yeah, it's the same one. Oh, this one is, sorry, it's a little blurry, but I'll zoom it so you can see it. Yeah, this one is CR1620 volt energizer. So this one also can work. Also, you can just put it in back. Push it, and then it will stay there, and you can press it. That's locked, unlocked. So when you press and you see the red light, so that means it's working. And now you close it together. Yeah, now it's done. There we go. It's quick and easy, eh? Yeah, now it's done. It's Lexus remote battery change. Now it's all done. Thank you guys for watching.